hello, and a warm welcome to Be Mindful. The expression, I'm grateful, stands as one of the most impactful phrases within the realm of language. It signifies our interdependence. Isolation is an illusion. Our actions are woven into a larger tapestry. It steers our consciousness towards a state of appreciation, which is indeed a splendid state to inhabit. Each of these affirmations will commence with that potent pair of words. Feel free to address this gratitude to any aspect of your life. The specifics are inconsequential. What's pivotal is the resonance it holds for you, so follow your intuition. You're at liberty to engage with these affirmations in your preferred manner. Echo them audibly or silently, or you might choose to absorb them while sipping tea or strolling with your pet. For an immersive experience, assume a cozy posture and delve into a tranquil meditative state. Regardless of your chosen method, let's initiate with a collective deep inhalation. Draw in a deep breath expanding through your awareness. Pause, and then liberate it with an exhalation. Now let us begin these powerful affirmations. In your mind or out loud, repeat after me. I'm grateful for my existence. I'm grateful for my intellect. I'm grateful for my physique. I'm grateful for the sustenance that revitalizes me. I'm grateful for the shelter that safeguards me. I'm grateful for the community that embraces me. I'm grateful for the passions that captivate me. I'm grateful for the myriad of fortunes in my life. I'm grateful for the opportunity of yet another splendid day. I'm grateful for the affection that perpetually fills my being. I'm grateful for my vitality. I'm grateful for the nurturing bonds that elevate and motivate me. I'm grateful for the prospects that foster my development and enlightenment. I'm grateful for the obstacles that fortify and enlighten me. I'm grateful for the magnetism that envelops me. I'm grateful for my thoughts that guide my journey. I'm grateful for the elation that overflows in my spirit. I'm grateful for my humanity. I'm grateful for the guides who have aided me. I'm grateful for the resilience to surmount adversities. I'm grateful for the pleasures derived from favorable times. I'm grateful for the autonomy to create my own unique journey. I'm grateful for the significant relationships in my life. I'm grateful for the muses that inspire me. I'm grateful for the capacity to pardon, release, and move on. I'm grateful for the benevolence of unfamiliar faces. I'm grateful for the backing of those who rally around me. I'm grateful for my blunders as they have imparted wisdom. I'm grateful for the opportunity to leave a constructive mark upon this world. I'm grateful for this instant of serenity. I'm grateful for the insight into my own uniqueness. I'm grateful for the endowment of this existence. As we conclude our affirmations, let's anchor in this gratitude with another deep breath. Inhale, embracing the gratitude you've cultivated. Hold, and exhale, feeling a deep sense of peace within your heart. Should your eyes be closed, feel free to open them at your leisure. My friend, I trust you found solace in these affirmations, that you're charged with lightness and gratitude. I urge you to practice these affirmations throughout your day, for they are powerful tools to harmonize your mind, body, and spirit. Once more, I extend my gratitude for your presence, for tuning in to be mindful, and for accompanying us on this life's journey. Even if through the digital realm, it's equally meaningful. Should this episode have resonated with you, kindly spare a moment to share your thoughts through a comment or by liking the video. Anticipating your return to be mindful until our next encounter, venture forth, express gratitude more than you ever thought possible, and undoubtedly, you're bound to have a truly marvelous day.